we're going to have a go at replacing the lock on the BMW X5. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and hopefully like it. Okay, let's begin. Should use a plastic pry bar, but for your screwdriver. Carefully pry it on. The lock obviously has been ripped out. Oh, that's it then. Right. Good news is it works, but it's the wrong shape. Can't really leave it like that. We'll double check if it does work properly. Oh god, that's miles out, isn't it? Oh god. I didn't buy this part. It's not me, I didn't buy it. Should have checked it first. Right, that's a glimpse anyway of changing a brand new lock. I just want to double check something. It works, but it's not the right one. That's all there is to it. Check the part first before doing things like this.